A physical form is a standardized document healthcare professionals use to assess and document a patient's overall health and physical condition. These forms are commonly utilized for various purposes, including sports participation, work requirements, school enrollment, or as part of an annual health checkup. A comprehensive physical form typically includes sections for personal information, medical history, vital signs, and a detailed physical examination covering various body systems. Sometimes it may also contain a health questionnaire to gather additional information on the patient's lifestyle, habits, and well-being. Physical forms are a valuable tool for medical practitioners to evaluate an individual's fitness for specific activities, identify potential health risks, and provide personalized recommendations based on the findings. A physical form is a versatile tool used in various situations to assess an individual's overall health and physical condition. You can use them in scenarios such as sports medicine to evaluate an athlete's fitness and ability, in certain industries or job positions where employees are required to undergo physical work, at schools before enrollment or participation in specific school programs, pre-employment screenings, and annual checkups. To use our free physical form, follow these steps. Download our physical form from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. First, gather personal information and medical history. Begin by collecting the patient's personal information, such as their name, date of birth, and contact details. Also, gather essential medical history, including known allergies, past surgeries, current medications, family history of illness, and any habits related to tobacco, alcohol, or drug use. Next, record vital signs, including blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, temperature, height, and weight. Next, perform a physical examination. Conduct a thorough head-to-toe physical examination, assessing each body system and documenting the findings in the appropriate sections of the form. Next, complete additional sections. Complete any additional sections or tests, such as lab tests or imaging studies, and include the results on the form. Lastly, review and sign the form. The healthcare professional should review the completed form, sign it, and date it to validate the findings. Sometimes a guardian or parent's signature may be required if the patient is a minor or a student. Here is a sample of our physical form, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our physical form, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.